talking about ductless units. Ductless units are units that are used for air conditioning or heat pump for systems that have, or houses that have no ducts in them. So there's a high wall indoor unit which contains a fan and the coil, and then an outdoor unit similar to a ducted system. So again, the difference between a heat pump and an air conditioning ductless is this reversing valve that reverses the flow of refrigerant. One of the good things about the ductless system is the technology and the efficiency that comes with those, and things called inverter technology having to do with the compressor. They can have efficiencies as high as 23, 24 SEER. There's one unit that we market, and it's a heat pump, and it advertises up to 38 SEER of air conditioning efficiency, and I think 14.5 or 15 HSPF, which is a heating rating for efficiency.